Have you ever thought about making YouTube your full-time job? Ever wondered what it truly takes to turn those creative ideas into engaging content that can pay your bills? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and reveal the truth about making YouTube your full-time job, based on personal experience and hard-earned wisdom. First things first, creating a YouTube channel is like starting a business. You have to put in the work before you start seeing results. It's about creating a brand for yourself, finding your unique voice, and offering something that people can't find elsewhere. The first tip is to find your niche. Think about what you're passionate about. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing in your spare time? These are the things that can make your channel unique and attract a specific audience that shares your interests. Secondly, consistency is key. You can't expect to upload one video and instantly become a sensation. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. Create a content calendar, plan ahead, and stick to a consistent upload schedule. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps you stay organized and on track. Thirdly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and make your viewers feel like they're part of a community. This can create a loyal fan base that not only watches your content, but also shares it with others. Next up, don't underestimate the power of SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags to help your content get discovered. Remember, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google, so make sure you're taking advantage of that. Finally, don't be afraid to take risks and be innovative. Experiment with different types of content, collaborate with other creators, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities to grow and evolve. Now let's be real. Making YouTube your full-time job isn't easy. It takes a lot of time, effort, and dedication. It's about more than just making videos. It's about building a brand, creating a community, and constantly learning and adapting. But if you're passionate about what you do, if you're willing to put in the work, and if you're not afraid to take risks, then YouTube can be an incredibly rewarding platform. To sum up, here's the truth about making YouTube your full-time job. Find your niche, be consistent, engage with your audience, utilize SEO, and don't be afraid to innovate. Remember, it's not about instant success, but about sustained growth and passion for what you do. So if you're ready to take the plunge, roll up your sleeves and get to work. The world of YouTube awaits you, and who knows, you might just be the next big thing. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, do share it with others who might be considering making YouTube their full-time job. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that step today. Good luck!